everyone, welcome back to I Like Monday podcast, a place where we learn simple but important skill for the workplace. Today we are talking about something that can change how people see your professionalism. We are talking about polite and professional tone. Sometimes the message is correct, but the way we say it sounds too casual for formal workplace. That's where the idea of corporate voice becomes important. And I'm joined by our guest speaker today. Hello, Pak Kristo.
Hi everyone, I'm happy to be here. That is true. In the workplace, it's not only about what you say, but how you say it. The right tone creates trust and credibility.
So let us start with the basic. This is the basic question. Why does tone matter so much in corporate communication?
And that's because tone shapes how people receive your message. Two messages can have the same meaning, but create very different reactions depending on the tone. A professional tone helps you sound respectful, clear, and stable. It also helps maintain a good relationship with manager, teammates, and client.
That's true. When we talk with people, what they remember is the message, how they felt the message, not what people say. So what's the difference between casual talk and the corporate voice?
Okay, so casual talk is more relaxed than casual. It may be okay if you're with close friends or if it's in personal chats. However, corporate voice is more structured, respectful, and purposeful. It is commonly used in emails, meetings, reports, and also official conversations. For example, casually I say, send me the file now. In corporate way, you can say, could you please send me the file when available? I need it for my current work. It's the same request, but very different impression.
That's really helpful. So how can we sound more professional in daily communication?
Yeah. Okay, so there are a few simple ways. Number one, we are living in Java where politeness is a culture. So choose polite words like please, thank you, I appreciate, or kindly. And second, be clear and direct because professional does not mean complicated. Keep your message direct and easy to understand. And last, remember to stay respectful. Even sometimes when you disagree or you feel pressure, try to keep your tone calm. For example, you say, thank you for the update, but I'd like to discuss one concern regarding the timeline.
So people also make mistakes. So before we do that, what we should avoid when we are talking about polite communication?
Yeah, okay, so some common mistakes are number one, being too casual in formal settings, or if you're Gen Z, you like to use slang words. Also, if you write messages, often you write using emotional messages, using all caps, or too many exclamation or question marks. For example, if you write in a group chat, why is this late? All caps with question mark, question mark, question mark. Instead, you can say, could you please share the current status of this task? The second one sounds more professional and believe me, gets better results.
So the last one, would you please mention one quick tip everyone can use today?
Okay, so before sending a message or speaking in a formal setting, there's one thing to ask yourself, does this sound more respectful and professional? If yes, you can continue. However, if it can offend someone or maybe trigger their emotion, please adjust the tone first because choosing the right words can really have a big impact professionally.
That's really a great reminder. Professional communication is not about sounding stiff, but sounding clear, respectful, and confident. Pak Kristo, thank you for sharing with us today.
Yeah, my pleasure. I hope everyone can build a strong and more professional corporate voice after this.
And everyone, thank you for listening. See you in the next episode of I Like Monday because learning can start from Monday.